Now, before we get started, you'll need to make sure you have all the relevant safety equipment to do the job correctly and safely, and that all the equipment complies with current OH&S guidelines. When working on the valleys of metal roofs, accurately mark where the leaf-free will adhere to the valleys by running string lines down each side. Run the line from the top of the roof to the gutter and use the marking as a guide for the straight edge. Make sure to thoroughly clean the full area of the valley and clean contact surfaces with Prep Clean. Now wipe the clean metal contact areas of the valley with Prime Tight, secure mesh at the ridge capping and unroll. When measuring out the length of mesh, do not cut where the mesh meets the gutter. Clamp and leave the roll at the base. You'll need to release more mesh as there will be take-up of the product as you press down the adhesive into the corrugations. Work on small areas of each side moving down towards the gutter so that the valley is gradually and evenly covered. Once you reach the gutter, trim the mesh and neatly join and finish the edges with coloured roof and gutter silicone or a sealant. Finally, check that all areas are correctly and neatly installed and bonded. You can also refer to the Leaf-Free Gutter Guard installation guide or call 1300 456 678 for further assistance. Always follow this guide to ensure optimum installation results. Correct preparation and installation is essential for a long-term, reliable fixture.